Experiencing a blank screen when connecting your device via HDMI to your Sceptre monitor is one of the most common and frustrating technical issues users face. Research shows that three primary culprits cause most HDMI display issues. Faulty HDMI cables account for approximately 40% of all cases, making them the most common cause. Step 1. Test your HDMI cable. Recent market analysis shows a significant rise in substandard cables. Always use certified high-speed HDMI cables for reliable connections. Step 2. Check your HDMI ports. Damaged ports can prevent signal transmission entirely. Try different HDMI ports on both your monitor and source device to isolate the problem. Step 3. Verify your input source selection. Use your monitor's physical buttons to manually cycle through all available input sources. Many issues are simply caused by the monitor being set to the wrong input. Following these three diagnostic steps will resolve the majority of HDMI connection issues with your Sceptre monitor. Start with cable testing, check your ports, and verify input source selection for quick problem resolution. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced steps are needed. First, verify that your resolution and refresh rate settings match your monitor's capabilities. Outdated graphics drivers are a common cause of HDMI problems. Update your drivers to the latest versions from your graphics card manufacturer. If driver updates don't help, reset your monitor to factory defaults. This clears any configuration issues that might be causing HDMI problems. Prevention is key to avoiding future HDMI issues. Always use certified HDMI cables rated for your intended resolution and refresh rate. Handle cables carefully to prevent damage. Avoid excessive bending and clean HDMI ports regularly with compressed air to remove dust and debris. Finally, document your working display settings for different devices. This creates a reference guide that will streamline troubleshooting if issues occur again in the future.